how to add money to GettingOut app. So once you have pretty much logged into your account or created one, you'll be able to see the deposit section over here in the bottom, right beside your My Info. Then you'll see the Make a Deposit option. That's how you're gonna add your money. Once you press on that, you'll be led to this section where you have to put your country, your state or province, and then the facility. So if you want to know what the facility is, press on this option to learn more about it, and then you can choose what facility you're going for. Then just go ahead and press on continue. Once you do that, you're gonna have to put in the amount you want to send. So you'll be able to see the fees as well, and you can try rounding up if you want. And if you go ahead and scroll down a bit more, you're gonna have to put in your billing address and of course your payment method or your payment information right below the billing address. So put in the card number, security code for that, and then the expiration month, and then more information about the card. Once you finish that, and of course, make sure it's the right card with enough funds for what you chose, you're gonna be led here to the accept terms and make a deposit. Click on that, and once you do that, you will be directly deducted from your card, and you'll be able to get a little confirmation summary. Then how much you've paid, and then the payment method, and pretty much everything else. You can print receipt if you want, but that's pretty much how you add money in GettingOut. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.